Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. But in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove the text from the images for free. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for Pixel Cut AI remove text from images. Once you do that, just simply open this first website that appear right in front of you, and here it will ask you to upload the image. Just simply upload the image, any of the image you have. For example, let's select this image, and the image will start uploading. Let's select this, and here you can see the image is uploaded. Now just simply select the text you want to remove and hit erase, and it will automatically erase that part. You can see very easily I have removed the text from the image. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.